Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share videos to Facebook from edits, all right? It's actually pretty easy to do. For example, you're working on something or a project. For example, this one right here. Just going to tap on the check mark. Let's just go ahead and create a sample. Now, after that, all you have to do is just tap on export right here. Wait for the process to finish. All right, once that's done, you will have your preview. But to be able to share it on Facebook directly from edits, just go ahead and tap on share to Facebook right here. Just tap on it to wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you have the option here to select the account where you wanted to post the video or the reel. All right. Tap on the drop down and you will have the list of your accounts right here. I'll say, for example, I'm going to select this one. After that, go ahead and select either reel or post. Okay. Now, let's say, for example, I'm just going to post it as a normal post. Okay. Videos of any length. I'm just going to tap on it. And here we have the option. It will redirect us to the Facebook UI, all right, or user interface right here. Just type in your desired description like this. Once that's done, from here, you can go ahead and edit the clip. If not, just go ahead and tap on next. And here we have the title. Just go ahead and add a title. For example, my baby boy. You can see this public scheduling. You have the scheduling option here as well. Adding a poll location and some other good stuffs. All right. Now, if you're really sure that you wanted to share this, just go ahead and tap on share now. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.